National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Morgan County. This includes McConnellsville, East Central Perry County. This includes Perry State Forest, New Lexington, until 6 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Perry State Forest, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Eagleport, Renville, Malta, and Crooksville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday evening for Central Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday evening for Central Kentucky and Southeast Ohio and Central West Virginia. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.